satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction. Well, if you're like Mick Jagger and you can't get no satisfaction, or if you get no satisfaction from just playing your Asteroid game or whatever it is with a keyboard, and you want to use an Xbox game controller, well, I'm going to show you what to do. Alright, here we go. So the first thing you have to do, this is not lesson 5 of the piano. I need to fix that. Okay, the first thing we need to do is get the classes and files. So you're going to need to borrow a bunch of stuff that somebody's already done, and that is the beauty of object-oriented programming. You can do that. Alright, so it's called encapsulation, by the way, but we'll talk about that later. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. So you're going to look in this folder. So here is the folder I need, if I can find it. See if I can find this folder I need. Okay, so here's my game, right? So there's my game and all my stuff, okay? And then we need to go into so get your game open. Oh, by the way, what you're going to do is you're going to save a new version of it. So you're going to take your Space Invaders, and then you're going to make a copy of it and call it Space Invaders with controller, so if you mess something up, you don't destroy your beautiful project. Okay, so make sure you do that first, and then after you do that, let's go into. Oh, I know where I'm going. Now, hold on, sorry. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go into the Greenfoot folder, and inside here you're going to see this thing, using game crawler with Greenfoot, and inside here you see this thing called Gamepad Project Miller. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to go in here and you're going to press Control A to select everything, and then you're going to deselect the things you already have. So for example, you press Control and you already have images. You do not want to delete all your images. You do not want to delete your sound. You do not want to delete your project. And then you right click and you say copy. And then you come over here and you right click and you say paste. Okay? And so you're going to paste everything in there. Now if it says, hey, this already exists, you want to copy over it, say no, because you don't want to delete your good stuff. Okay? And so the cool thing is then when you open your project, you're going to see something like this. By adding all those files, you've actually added these classes right here, the direction gamepad. So that's what you need in order to make this thing work. Okay? Okay, so now that you have these guys in there, you're going to have to program your cannon in order to get it to do what you want it to do. Okay? To actually use it. So here's the steps for what you have to do. This first step is to put in your instance variables, public int, gun reload. Now that's not these. So you need to add these variables at the top. Okay, so then you go to your constructor, okay, and you add this code here, and then you go to your act method and you add this code here, and then you're going to make a new method down here called check controller, and you're going to add that. Okay, and you're going to obviously have to modify it a little bit to your program, but that's about it. Okay, alright, so let's take a look at the PowerPoint slideshow. Make sure we did everything. Copy all the files and folders from the gamepad to your scenario. If it has, okay, we already got this. And here's the code you have to add. Here's more code you have to add, and here's a method you have to add. Ready, begin.